In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop an image in Adobe Fresco. So to do this, first you want to select your image. I imported this random AI generated image over here, and then you want to click on it to actually select the layer. Now, if you do a Ctrl+T on your keyboard to actually open up this transform mode, you can actually rotate it. You can go and change its size like this, but this isn't really cropping, okay? So if you want to crop, there's actually no function to do this. However, I can show you a workaround, which is not ideal, but it's going to work well, okay? So let me actually show you how to do this. Now, what you have to do is select the select tool over here, and if your lasso is selected, you want to click on it again and select something like a rectangle. Now you want to select what you want to crop. So I'm going to go and select, for example, these two edges over here. Let's say that's how much of the image I want to crop. Of course, you could do up top as well if you want to. It's going to be put into one selection, and then all you have to do is select the eraser brush over here. So click on that, and then from here you can just go ahead and click, and it's going to ask if you want to convert image layer. Click on convert, and then from here you can just basically click and drag. So whenever you do this, if you do it outside the selection, it's not going to erase, but if you do it inside here, it's going to basically allow you to kind of perfectly crop your image, and then you simply press Ctrl and D on your keyboard to deselect, and there we go, we've cropped our image in Adobe Fresco. Okay, so that's by far the best workaround you can find. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.